Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and give you guys an update like I always do because I want to spread the love. Okay, I just started this channel 2 weeks ago. I appreciate all the love that I'm getting back. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. Now guys, with that being said, yesterday, we talked about this potential head and shoulders, right? We still need this shoulder to fill, okay? So you see how this pattern is kind of developing, okay? Now, could we widen this out? Yeah. Could this go wider with wider candles? Yeah. I just drew this to give you guys an example of what we're looking to see for the future, okay? When we do charts, we always want to look for the future. Now, this right here, everything I drew up, you can see that I on my Twitter account, okay, which is it's Moondog Trading 1 at Moondog Trading 1. That's my Twitter account. All right. I posted this on my Twitter account. So if you guys want to go on there and read it or even watch the video from yesterday, you can do that. But right now, I am going to delete this, okay? Because we don't need this anymore. We're done. We're done looking at this. Plus, what I'm about to show you, it's very important, I think. It's very important. So, I think that if this breaks, we have a potential for a bump and run. Now, bump and run reversal. Now, I'm going to show you the patterns and what I mean by that, okay? So, yeah, if you look here in the background, all right, we're going to go back. We're going to back test. It's called back testing, all right? So let's see, for example, this is March, right? Okay. We're going to hide this. I don't know why that's there. So we're going to go back. We're going to touch this point to this point. Okay. Now look what happened when we broke. All right. We came out. We had our two touch points. Then we broke. That's a bump and run. Okay. Now, if we zoom back down and we do this again and we say, all right, well, where's another bump and run, right? Because this happened at 10,000. We had the March dump that came down to, it actually wicked down to about 3,000, then came back up. But we had the two touches. Then when we broke this, that was the bump and run. That was our reversal signal, right? The reversal was right there. So then we got up here and everybody got bullish. Oh, 12,000. Oh, everyone was happy, right? What happened? We had two touch points here. 1, 2. We broke, bump and run. We took off, right? Okay. We took off to the moon. Look, it just boom, boom, boom. We were off and running. Another bump and run, okay? So now what do we have here, guys, on the daily? This is a daily chart, okay? So if our head and shoulders actually plays out, so we stay up above here. This can get wider, like I said. Even if the shoulder goes over here, this line is not exactly. So what I mean by that is, I'll redraw this for you guys. Okay. So we'll go here. We'll go to head and shoulders. Okay. I'm going to draw from the top to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom. So we get the head. Okay. Now we go back. Now this is what I mean. Okay. Oops. Sorry, guys. Trying to get this on point. So right there. And then we're going to go to this other point here. If I can lock on. Sorry, this is a pain in the butt sometimes. But I just want to give you an example. See, it could go like this. It could go over like that even. As long as we get the head and shoulders. Okay? Once we do that, that's a $50,000 move. Now, here is the death cross. Everybody's talking about that, right? Everybody's talking about this death cross. Okay? Is it that big of a deal? No, because I think the move already happened. Could it act as resistance? Yeah, we could get a little fighting. Say it comes down and we start to make this move here. We can get some sideways movement, and I'll talk about that on we're going to talk about Matic and Cardano and Dot and everything else. And we're going to talk about sideways movement. We could get some sideways movement because of this. Okay. Is it that big of a deal? No, I don't think it's that big of a deal. You can see here on the death crosses, okay? Let's see. We had one right here, We did come down. Okay. But then look, we busted right back through it. And this is where my bump and run's going to come into place. Okay. Now, $30,000, obviously we don't want to not hold that. And I should have the line there. I must have brought it down by accident, but this area right here, these two boxes. Okay. We don't want to get down in this area. All right. Or it could go back down. I mean, we're looking 24 and 19. I mean, that's crazy, guys. So we're going to look at the bump and run, right? Because we had these bump and run patterns. So now what do we see here? All right. We can draw a line from here to the top. We got our touch point at the top. We're going to go to 30. We're going to go to about right here. Okay. Now, what needs to happen? This head and shoulders plays out, guys. Okay. We can get the bump and run reversal. Okay. This plays out and we can go up here, retest, and boom. I'm talking, we can get the bump and run reversal like we did all on every single one of these, right? We're setting up for the big one, the big bump and run reversal. So let's see if this head and shoulders plays out. If you guys notice, well, you guys could have read the text that I had. We don't want a candle closing under, what is it? My 33,300 level. Okay, we don't want a candle close. It could wick. There can be a wick. But we don't want to see a candle close and then open, then get rejected. Because it hasn't happened down here. We had some wicks, but nothing closed under this level. It got bought up really fast. Okay, people bought it up really fast. They never let a day go by where they said, hey, we're not buying this throughout the day. Okay, it was hours that these things were down. Okay, so with that being said, we could have a potential of a big bump and run. Now I'm going to give you an example of bump and run reversal right here. This is a bump and run reversal, guys. Okay? So it touched here. We came up. We retested. That's very important, guys. Okay? Because you guys want to wait. You retest, and then that's the confirmation you get. Then, boom, we're off to the races, guys. Bump and run reversal for Bitcoin. That is a very, very big possibility. Now, of course, if Bitcoin bumps and runs, what do you think is going to happen, guys? Ethereum. Okay, we're trading sideways. Nothing. There's no volume. There's nothing. Bitcoin's doing nothing. So these wedges aren't working. Okay, we're just trading sideways, like we talked about in yesterday's video. Okay, and we might keep trading sideways in this range. We talked about this range from 2260, okay, all the way into this range at 2150 area. Okay, so that's the range we're in. Okay, then you can see my next. We can draw a purple box there. We can do that for you guys. Where is it? Right? No, that's not it. Sorry, right here. Okay, so the purple box. All right, we can draw this. Let's do this. All right, boom, boom, boom. Purple box. Okay. So we have our purple box area. Potential bounce. Okay. We don't want to see this break because then, Jesus, 1900, and then we're going downhill, and then 17, I think. So yeah, so we want to see that hold up on Ethereum. So basically, sideways movement for a little bit. Okay, wait around for this move to happen. Get these candles to go up and close, and then break this area. Okay, we want to break this box. We're going to do another box right here. This box. Sometimes it's hard to get it locked on here. Okay, we break that box, and then we get up in here and we break, and we come back and we confirm. Boom, bump and run is on. Okay, and we're looking bullish on everything if that happens, guys. All right, Matic. What did we talk about? This was looking very weak. We're just trading sideways. Look, we ran into my purple box. We touched my area, 142. We talked about the 135 in yesterday's video, and we talked about the 142, guys. We're in this range. Now, if you can trade this range, okay, back and forth and just use stops, you know, you would have made some decent money, right? Let's see. Sorry. It's a 5% move, okay, which isn't bad. But if you would have caught it on the box, okay, my potential bounce area, All right. I mean, I recommend, you wait for the confirmation, which you got right here. So that's why I did that. But this was a bounce area we talked about. That was almost a 10% move, guys. So there's still little moves you can make. You don't go big money on these trades because we're just kind of trading sideways, right? We talked about that yesterday. Same thing with Cardano. We're just trading sideways. Now, this 140 area held up good as support. Okay, it held up good as support. But we're starting to break it a little bit, right? So what would be our next levels? Okay. Okay, we can draw a little purple box maybe right in here. Okay. This area right here. This could be an area that we watch out for because we don't want to go back to the 125, and then the 105. These are the last two lines of the battle. So we want to stay up in this area. We want to stay up in this zone. Okay, from what is this? 164. Okay, and we want to stay into the one. What is it? 133. What do I have here? 133 area. Okay, we want to battle this zone. Okay, and now our first, if we bounce off of here, let's look for this area right here. This one in between. I can expand this purple box here, right? We can expand it. Oh, I just moved the line and everything. Jeez, what did I just do? What did I just do? Or did I delete a line? Okay, well, I'll have to redraw that. Oh, wait, no, I just didn't make it big enough. All right, there we go. Okay, so that would be the area we'd be looking for. I think it was 150. It was up a little bit, actually. Wasn't it? Yeah. But, yeah, right here. Okay, so this would be where we would be looking. All right? And that's on Cardano. So we got Bitcoin out of the way, head and shoulders, maybe potential bump and run in the future. Ethereum, we want to see it hold this 2150 area. I mean, we could 2120 was the bottom, right? So we can draw a little line there. So yeah, that's a potential bounce, potential rollover and bounce there. Okay, so these are just the areas. Cardano, we went over Cardano. Now DOT, we're looking at the same thing, guys. Just sideways. We've been trading sideways. We talked about these levels, and we're just trading sideways in them. Okay, these are our two potential areas we want to hold up. Well, we want to hold up here and get past here. That would be bullish, right? So this is where we're at with DOT. Nothing's changed. Just sideways movement on everything. Okay, these wedges, we're probably going to delete them because they just mean nothing because Bitcoin's trading sideways, right? I mean, look at the Bitcoin chart, just sideways. So we're not getting anything here. We're going up, we're going down, just sideways movement. Hopefully we get this head and shoulders pattern and we get the bump and run and we break out. Okay, so we talked about the death cross. We talked about that. Now DOT, same thing. You just look at these areas, guys. Okay, we want to see this 120, 24 area hold up. If not, then we're looking at our purple box area in between there. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. All right, now we're going to go to the ribbons. Okay, the ribbons here. And I hope you guys like the intro. I just added that. So hopefully that works. I don't know. We'll see if it even works. Hopefully you guys see it and it works. Let's see. We got, this is on the hour. So the ribbons on the hour still look, we still look bearish. Okay, we're still looking bearish. 4 hour. I mean, it's coming over, it's coming down. We're still looking bearish there. So nothing's looking real 100% bullish. But we're not dead in the water, guys. If you look at my ranges on Bitcoin, you can see that, okay, we can be in this box and be okay. We can flirt around here in this 134, 200 area. And then, yeah, we can flirt around in those boxes. Now, we don't want a candle closing under this area like we talked about. That would be devastating. All right, so we got to bump and run. So, yeah, guys, just wanted to keep you posted. We're going to watch the daily candle now. Closes in 27 minutes. So that'll be key. Hopefully we can get some kind of reversal here. All right, maybe this holds up. Maybe we get a bounce here off of 135, 300 area. And and then we get a bounce from there, and we can actually maybe start going to the upside. We still want to break this 300 or 3,000 or 3,600, 400 area, right? Was that the high? Yeah. So 3,600, 36,000. I'm sorry, 36,480 area. Okay, that's what we want to break. All right. So if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Moondog Trading, one word. You can catch me on Twitter. I'm at Moondog Trading 1. I'm also the Gunslinger on StockTwits. Okay, you can see where I post my videos there. I'm not going to blast it here. But if you play my video on StockTwits, you play it, okay, and you go right here to the little moon, and you click it, and that's how you get to my YouTube channel, okay? So just wanted to clear that up, and then you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It makes me want to do these videos. And like I said, once I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a program that helps me determine who is, who's hitting that subscribe button a lot, who's subscribing to my channel and hitting that button a lot. So, and then I will be giving out gold. Yes, pure gold bars will be handed out. So I just want to show love because I feel like gold is something that shows love. So let's keep this channel moving. Like I said, I just started it. So let's build this thing together, and I'll keep this going for you guys. And I'm gonna try to post this video. Hopefully, I got banned. It sucked on TradingView, and I know some of you people on TradingView were saying, "Hey, why aren't you post?" I haven't been able to post. That's why it's very, very important, guys, that you follow me on YouTube so you don't miss my videos. So if I do get banned, at least you can follow me on YouTube. Make sure you hit the bell and hit all. So when my videos are posted, you don't miss any moves. And sometimes, guys, I do updates late night. I did an update. It was after 12 midnight last night. I stayed up late just to do an update, okay? Because I like to look at charts. This is what I do. So if I see anything crazy going on, I shoot you guys updates instantly because I want you guys to be aware and ahead of the game, okay? I want this to be a very successful channel, and so far we have been, all right? So let's just keep an eye on all this. Much love to you guys. Sorry about making this video, longer than I wanted to, but we covered a lot of different charts, so it takes me a minute, okay? And I want to teach you guys some things too. And I don't want panic. We don't need panic, okay? Not just yet anyways, all right? So much love to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and peace out.